Hi guys, today we're making a quick and easy mayonnaise with only these 5 ingredients. We start by using the egg yolk, so we're going to separate the egg. This is always a tricky part. Hopefully I only need to use 2 eggs. So that's the first one. And I'll put in the second one. Only the yolk, no white. That's it. I'll put a little bit of white wine vinegar in it. If you like Belgian mayonnaise, you put some extra vinegar in it. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of mustard. I use the French Dijon mustard. Because it's heavy. Now we start by whisking the egg yolk, the mustard and the vinegar. I have electric whisk because it's easy. You can also use a blender. So everything is mixed. Now we're pouring slowly the oil. So let's start. So that's it. Quick and easy mayonnaise. Really tasty with some homemade fries. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on my channel for more videos. Thanks.